It's like moving. I mean, I don't know if I done let the primer sit long enough or something, but y'all see it like moving.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly, I can cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
And it was too hot out here. So y'all see what's going on. We're gonna fiberglass these little areas, get that all nice and neat. We're gonna try to. Mixed up real quick. Telling you guys, man, building cars, it's a lot of work, guys. A lot of work. I was getting ready to primer the trunk, and then I was like, dang it, I gotta fill in these. Sorry guys, my battery went dead, but I got it on there. Now we'll let that dry, and we'll sand it down. It's slightly hard, guys, so we're gonna start sanding. Knock it down a little bit. Hopefully I got this plugged up. If it gums it up, we'll do it again. It's taking forever to dry all the way, but you want to kind of sand it while it's wet. Well, kind of textured anyways or whatever. It's doing alright. Get my mask. I hope y'all can see. I don't know, guys. I ain't never seen this happen, but it's like moving. I mean, I don't know if I done let the primer sit long enough or something, but y'all see it like moving. I mean, it literally melted that primer. That's crazy. It like literally melted the primer. What the heck? Or maybe it's the kind of primer. Man, I'm gonna have to get this stuff off of here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just take it off, guys, and we'll put some more. I gotta get that primer off of there. Sorry about moving the camera around like that. Yeah, let me get that primer off of there. We'll just get some regular primer, because that's that weld through primer. Maybe it's too much, I don't know, we'll see. Guys, I took all that stuff off, so we're gonna try it again. Everything's back cleaned up.
What you doing? Ha ha ha.
Stop playing with me. I don't know what was up with that primer. Maybe because it was that weld primer, but I wiped that off and look, it got hard and everything. It wasn't even getting hard, it was like gummy. So I'm gonna do the big area next, and I already knocked out this small one. I'm gonna just go ahead and knock it out, guys, off camera, man, so we can keep it moving. Let's check that out. Look, that's crazy. The primer's dry now, but I mean, it was dry. It dried like the whole time I was in the house until it got dark in 100-degree weather. I don't know, it's weird. It just reacted weird with that. And then this won't even get hard, so I don't know. Live and you learn. And while the other stuff is drying, I'll be fiberglass in this area in, guys. So I'm gonna get that done. I put foam in the big areas, so now I gotta wait for this to dry too. And then we'll cut that off, trim that off, and so the fiberglass can lay flat on the panel. So I mixed that up for no reason. It's gonna get hard and it's gonna be a waste, but it's all good. I'd rather have this foam behind there. And then I went ahead and put some right here on that little spot. Didn't mean to touch it, but anyway, so that's where we at. Get this knocked out, man. This stuff get hard fast. Better for me. You're supposed to smash it, but this worked better. So I didn't mix that last batch up quick enough. Man, I'm wasting this expensive stuff. I think I put too much hardener. I don't know. I'm getting tired again, guys. Look how fast that one messed up. It's still hot out here though. I lighten up on the hardener. I'll check on the foam off camera, see what we need to do there. Yes, sir.
Talking about? I don't know.
Alright guys, I got everything taped off, ready to go. We're gonna shoot this primer tonight. I was gonna hold off, but it's gonna be too hot tomorrow to be trying to paint. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot it, guys. It's been like, shoot, about an hour and a half since I turned y'all back on. It's about 3:30 in the morning. So we're gonna get ready to shoot this real quick. Alright guys, I got the paint mixed up. I got my gun set. Well, I need to set my gun and then we'll be ready to spray. And this will finish up the video finally.
Hours later.
Second coat. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Super tired, super exhausted. We got it done. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.